Good morning, teachers. I want to show you a very quick video on how to record your minutes when you are with a team on our Monday afternoons meetings and how you record your minutes. Mrs. Monkers has asked that we do this, so please, if you'll just follow this really short tutorial, it will explain how you go through and mark your minutes. So, for example, I'm going to go to my Google Drive. And you would do the same thing. You can do this from your email account. And then what I do is I click Shared with Me to find it. And I will click right here and choose Folders for the form. So search. So you'll notice it'll bring up just my folders in my Google Drive. World languages here, special education. I've got other departments as well. So what I'm going to do, let's say that I was in the world language department. I'm going to double click on that folder, and right when that folder pops up, it has a world language meeting for your minutes. And you click on that, and inside that is a form. So every single time that you meet, whether you're at the high school and you're meeting with a group of teachers up there, I want you to put in your minutes. If you are meeting as a department here, I want you to put in your minutes in this location, okay? So you're going to come here, you're going to put in the date, you're going to put who was in attendance, you're going to put your learning targets, your data discussion that you had, possibly next steps, what you're going to do. And then down here, you're going to put any assessment data or discussion and next steps. Again, intervention, data, discussion, next steps. Extension and enrichment, data, discussion, and next steps. And then assignments, who is going to be doing what? Which students are we calling for intervention? What common formative assessment are we going to be working on? Next time we're going to be putting it together. And then you click submit. Once you've submitted it, then Mrs. Mockers, Mr. Sharp, and other people can take a look at what you're doing in your department. So we're not able to physically be at every single meeting, we can see what is taking place within your Monday meetings. So if you would please follow these instructions. Again, you want to do this every time you meet as a department. And if you have questions, please do not hesitate to ask me. I'll be happy to walk you through that.